welcome back, Kuradangerz. Thank you for watching. So for today's video is, of course, papasexy na naman tayo. And yes, for today's video is another sexy lingerie haul or review. Namimiss ko to doing this. Yung mga, ano natin, yung mga sexy vibes, good vibes, funny vibes na review ng mga ganito. Sexy lingerie panty. Alright, so if you are interested na makita yung ating new boss, newly buy, usaba, kamo na i-correct sa atong mga, sa atong mga wrong grammar. If you're interested, please don't forget to like and subscribe and keep on watching for more. Alright, so this is it. Inaabangan ng mga letter M all over the world, mga kadangs, no? Another sexy lingerie panty review from Shopee. So I bought this panty lingerie from Shopee. And of course, this is our very beautiful color. This is our favorite color when it comes to lingerie, which is color black. Sila yung hindi ganahan or hindi gusto yung black, hindi maklaro ang lago, mga guys. So yes, for today's lingerie is You Are My Sunshine, this panty lingerie, and this is the front. Look at that, very nice. Oh, this is the front, guys. This is the front design, and look at that. Oh my god. Ito talaga yung pinaka-vega part of the show. Itong string na design niya. Pinaka-vega na nagdala sa panty. The string design in the front. And it is a combination of a knitted cotton and a lace. Very nice lace. And yes, talagang expose yung puson mo dito, guys. Just look at that, no? Diba? Ayan. So, this part right here is very pa-conservative. And I like the knitted cotton. Parang sobrang stretchy niya na very comfortable to wear. No? And I love the design. Oh, diba? Look at that. So very pretty. Ito talaga yung nagdala ng kaseksihan ng panty na to. And of course, the strings. Pak na pak. And of course, the lace. Look at that. Very wow design and very pretty design of the panty lingerie. And of course, pa-conservative lang siya dyan sa likod, which is a cotton, knitted cotton also yung niya. And meron siya ditong lining na lace. Overall, I like the comfortability and the sexiness combination design of this panty lingerie. Of course, black is sexy and black is, favorite natin yan when it comes to a lingerie, panty lingerie, mga kanang. So, thumbs up. And yes, this is very affordable. I bought this in Shopee. So, kung gusto nyo mamili ng mga sexy panty lingerie, very affordable and very nice quality sa Shopee, you can search lang doon, mga kadang. So, very affordable na, talagang swak na swak sa budget natin yung ating gustong mga design ng mga panty lingerie. And of course, dito is wala siyang yung parang cotton, pero doubled siya. Doubled yung cloth niya dito sa private area, mga kadang. So, yes, I'll give this a lingerie panty a thumbs up. Very comfortable and of course, sexy design in the front with a string on it. Yes, love, love, love. Thank you so much for watching sa ating lingerie panty haul for today's video. And of course, abangan ang ating more and more sexy panty lingeries. Ating next video. Hope to see and hope nakasubscribe ka na dito sa ating Inday Kuradangerz channel. And yes, thank you so much.